Valerian is a plant native to parts of Europe and Asia, also growing in North America, used especially for insomnia and as a sedative. It belongs to the genus Nepeta and is used medicinally, and its leaves and flowers can also be consumed as a tea after drying. Its effective components include nepetalactone and essential oils and can be used in different forms such as fresh or dried herb, valerian tea, tincture and oil. What are the benefits of valerian and what is it good for? We can list the benefits of valerian root and valerian tea, which are good for reducing stress, relieving anxiety and insomnia, and have antispasmodic, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Valerian root is good for insomnia due to its calming effect. Reduces anxiety problems such as stress and anxiety. Reduces the severity and frequency of menopausal effects. Reduces premenstrual symptoms. Supports the body in lowering blood pressure. It supports sinusitis treatment. Reduces joint and rheumatism pain. Helps reduce the effects of indigestion. However, more research is needed to scientifically prove these benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.